Welcome back to Quizzy Anjy. Today we've got 25 tricky riddles that will stretch your brain. Only true geniuses can solve them all. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and join Quizzy Anjy for more exciting quizzes. Ready? Let's begin with the easy level. What has no start and no end? A circle. I have no lungs but need air. What am I? Fire. I have one eye but can't blink. What am I? Did you guess it? A needle. What has bottom at top? Think carefully. Legs. I cook food in a restaurant. Who am I? Easy one, right? A chef. What has words but no voice? A book. What has cities, no people? A map. What has 4 fingers, no life? A glove. What has a face, no mouth? A coin. What has no legs but runs? Too easy, right? Water. Medium level. What is taken before you get it? In the photo. What has an eye but can't see? A needle. What is full of holes but holds water? You got it? A sponge. What has a roof but no walls? A mushroom. What can't talk but replies when spoken to? An echo. What has a neck but no head? Easy, right? A bottle. The more of me there is, the less you see. What am I? Darkness. Hard level. What has 1 head, 1 foot, and 4 legs? A bed. What building has the most stories? A library. I have branches but no fruit, trunk, or leaves. What am I? Got the answer? A bank. I begin with T, end with T, and have T inside me. A teapot. Which three numbers give the same result when added and multiplied? One, two, three. Impossible level. You see a boat filled with people, yet there isn't a single person on board. How is that possible? All the people are married. What can you hold in your left hand, but never in your right? Your right elbow. Final question. A mother has 4 daughters. Each daughter has 1 brother. How many children does she have? 5. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fun quizzes.